I would say my day in the life is pretty atypical, to be quite honest with you. I can go to school and watch recordings and I have the flexibility to do that, or I can go to classes live, or I can do my high school work and then do some of my college dual enrollment work later on. They can definitely follow the bell schedule. I did that within middle school and then some of high school as well. So you have your homeroom, then you have like your first period is like math and then second period is English. The teachers give you more time to kind of work on your own. There's lots of breakout rooms normally, like you're able to work on past assignments, work on like the current assignments, or extra work and extra credit and that kind of stuff. I feel like it's a lot more flexible than previous grade bands. You can take a break and go hiking. You can do your work from anywhere. I have the flexibility to do my classes kind of whenever, as well as that work whenever. So it's like that progression to more freedom throughout the grades.
Going virtual was great for us because she was able to test into where she was academically achieving, and then we were able to like push those strengths and push her in the direction to where she needed to go. The reality of it is she was always capable of doing it and she was being missed in public school. So at GCA, she's been fully supported to be able to work at her own individual pace.
I feel incredibly supported. Just the counseling department alone, my counselor, Mrs. Rose, she's always like helping me with anything, scholarship recommendations, helping me make sure I'm graduating and I'm on the right path and everything. I've won, I think, 3 local scholarships, as well as the Amazon Future Engineer Scholarship. I'm absolutely thrilled about that. It's $40,000 and then I get a paid internship next summer. Keep applying, because a lot of students don't apply, especially local scholarships. There's a local art contest I've applied all 4 years. I've won every single time because nobody else has applied. The main thing that GCA has done to help me prepare for college is just the flexibility to allow me to do dual enrollment. I started doing college courses at 13 years old in the 9th grade, so it was a great opportunity for me to kind of get thrust into all of that hard coursework, as well as getting like my high school and college kind of requirements done at the same time. So I'm going to Georgia Tech. I'm gonna go ahead and major in industrial engineering and then minor in computer science. Like industrial engineers, they're all about optimizing, checking out efficiency, and it's so versatile, so you can go into any field. But working for like an amusement park or something in the film industry, I think that would be absolutely amazing. I would say absolutely join GCA. It's an amazing experience because you have that support system, the people are there for you, the teachers are wonderful. It's similar to a brick and mortar school, but if you have that flexibility in those kinds of levels, you're able to do your work and then kind of move on. Yes, join GCA. It is definitely better than regular brick and mortar schools.